Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to make a quick video. First of all, I'm loving my new Cleetus merchandise. The 2024 McFarlane Racing Turbo shirt and the machine logo, camo, snapback. Love the hat and the shirt. But got me to thinking buying merchandise. I've checked, and hypothetically, if lightning struck twice, I am eligible to win the new giveaway. Now, first of all, somebody had put a hit out on me, I'd be dead, and Charlene be trading my truck for chickens, so I really don't want that to happen, but let's just say it did. If I had to pick between the full-size four-door TRX or the mini TRX, personally, I'd probably take the four-door and probably use it as a daily because I don't need another garage queen. So I would probably pick the four-door. But another part of me says, wow, if I won the mini TRX, put that truck next to this one on the drag strip, what kind of content would that be? A lot of content with that mini TRX, or both of them actually, but I do wonder. I wonder if that mini TRX is capable of running a 9-second quarter mile as well. I'm sure it probably would. It just depending on what they wanted to do to make it do it. But I'm a GM guy anyway, but I like everything that's nice and fast. But it'd be an interesting race between this one and the mini TRX. Anyway, what do you guys think? Who do you think would win a drag race between the mini TRX and the GMC? What would you pick? Would you pick the mini TRX or would you pick the full-size TRX, four-door? Let me know in the comments. Just a quick video. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. My goal with the channel is to make you guys' day a little better, and with some content coming up in the future, maybe even get a laugh out of you. So good luck to each and every one of you in the Cleetus giveaway. I'd love for each and every one of you to feel the sensation of winning something like this or to win a giveaway. Oh, and since you're here already, how about a gratuitous cold start?